not getting these chargers for people for Christmas, what are you doing? Run, go grab both of these M-Fish chargers. Y'all already know how much I love M-Fish. Look what we got. Still got the awesome case that it comes in. Y'all, my original, this whole thing, fit my Apple Watch charger, fit the M-Fish charger, fit the wall block. A 6-foot Coil one for my truck. Y'all, it's the same thing. It's pink. It's got the dual in Type-C, iPhone, USB, Type-C. You cannot tell me this pink charger is not perfect for my truck. I love their products. Their products are so good. They come in pink, and they have something for everyone. Literally, they have dual-in chargers. One you get this for is gonna absolutely adore you. They're gonna love you. Comes in so many different colors. We got the whole thing going on, y'all. This is the regular, like I said. This is the Coil one. You get the best of both worlds here. I got one for travel, one for travel, two for travel. Y'all, M-Fish knows what they're doing.